2025, the year of consistency in the market. Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, we are going to go through the market from the 1st January this year. By reviewing the market, we are going to show you the entry that you should be taking in the market and consistently making money in the market. That sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and I will see you after this intro on today's video. Okay, welcome back. So let's start from gold. From the last year, 2024, gold have been moving up, and even from the 1st January this year, gold was also bullish, even if we are trying to make some kind of reversal, but we still in the uptrend. So let's start from where and how we analyzed this market. So the way gold was moving up, we're trying to make some correction from some areas as a consolidation, and then we impulse moving up, and then is also the same correction that you are creating from this area with the expectation for the uptrend continuation. So that's what we are expecting from gold, or that's how we analyzed from the 1st of the January 2025 that gold will be expected to be continue in the uptrend. So let's see how we moved in the market and take some trades from the lower time frame where we found entries. Okay, but before we move to the lower time frame, so you can see from this area the candlesticks were bullish. This is the daily time frame. Okay, we are ejecting from this area, this zone, and we stayed above this zone as we are creating bullish candlestick from this area. This is a bullish engulfing. So as we are moving up, we have some areas which are stronger, but now we are focusing on the trend. We have to position in areas to be buying from as a bullish continuation. We are expecting a bullish from this area and continue breaking above this area as we are targeting from these areas, and even the last buying volume from this area, as well as we are expecting the market to continue in the upside. Let's move to the lower time frame, and also let's check first from the area, from the trades that we took from the Trading Focus members group. From here, this was the 13th of January. You can see the market was pulling back from high. We broke above this area and start creating high highs and higher lows and creating a liquidity from this area, equal low from this area. This area was stronger. That's why we have been expecting the market to continue in the upside. As long as we are breaking above the previous high, that is a sign of the uptrend continuation. So we made a higher high to the higher low by expecting the continuation of the higher high. And from this area, that's where we entered from. This is for our time frame. This is a bullish engulfing. The entry was from this area, the stop loss below this area, anticipating the market to continue in the upside. As you can see from this area, we are already entered in profit, and from H1 you can see the market continued moving up. So let's now move to the chart and see how we took those trades till today, and gold now still moving in the uptrend direction. So this is going to be your support for every trader who want to be consistency in the market. Any trade or any opportunity that you are getting from gold, we are going to take it and see if you can lose or consistently make money in the market without taking wrong trades. Okay, now let's start here. As we've been talking about, the market was moving up. We're in the uptrend. We have this demand area. We balanced it. Okay, as you can see, this was a high to the low consolidation. This is a liquidity high to the low, which is an higher low. And then we're expecting the market to make a higher high from this area. So that's why we are targeting this area. That's where we're expecting gold to be continue and take a profit from there. How did we enter from these trades? From this area, we have this area which was balanced also by making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, from here now we have high to the higher low, which means that this area is also balanced. You can say this is a neckline from the double bottom is balanced. We are not in the market. We are looking for opportunities to be entering for buy. So where are we looking to buy from? We are looking to buy from these areas. This one, because this is the last area to make a retracement from high to low to continue for the higher high. And even we have also this area where also we can wait for buy from that area. So this can be also a neckline from internal chart pattern. In general, inverse head and shoulder, this is a neckline, breakout, retest, and continuation. Okay, let's see. But remember, as we are trading, as we are moving with a trend, we have to be careful with our first entry. If you are taking a first trade, you have to make sure that you are entering from the strong areas. From here, the strong area is this one. That's why sometimes you have to wait until the market balance that area. Or if you are going to be entering from this area, make sure that you are risking less than you should be expecting to be risking from this area. So you have to minimize your lot size. Okay, now we can see the area that we are looking to enter for buy from. The target, remember, will be from this area. That's where we are targeting, and we have these are TPs where the market has high probability to be rejecting from. Okay, this is going to be our target because we are expecting the bullish continuation. So this is also an area to be securing from. Okay, even this one and this one. Yeah, so now let's follow the trend and take some entries. Okay, remember we are waiting from this area and this one. Let's see what happened. Moving up, continuation. We created another area to be buying from, which is not stronger than the previous ones. Let's see what we can decide from that. Okay, continuation. Okay, let's wait from the areas which are very stronger to be buying from. Okay, now let's see what happened. Oh, moving down. Okay, we got a bullish engulfing, sweeping liquidity from this area. Let's take an entry from this area. But remember, can we take an entry from this area and the stop loss will be below this area? And this stop loss will be in risky. Remember, in our previous video, we talked about an imbalanced areas. If we are looking to be entering from this market and hold our trend, looking for a better profit, we need to be stop loss that you are setting is bigger depending on where you entered from. Be confident that the stop loss has to be where it's supposed to be. So if you enter from here, you know that this is an imbalance area, so the balance area was from this area, which means that the stop loss will be below this area. So let's see if we can try that and see how bigger is our stop loss. The stop loss should be at least below this area. Okay, let's see the target. Remember our target. This is our target, and this is also an entry if the market move down again, where you can set, okay, let's see, a buying limit. So we entered from this area with a big stop loss because we entered from an imbalanced area. We are expecting the market anytime can balance from this area, where you set a stop loss from this one and you end up losing money. So let's see what you can do for the next movement. We are in profit now. The market still moving up. Now we are moving down. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, now this is what we've been talking about. If we leave a stop loss from this area will be in danger with our stop loss. So now we have an entry from this area again. This is an opportunity to enter for buying entry. This time the stop loss also is going to be below this area. Let's minimize them a little bit, and the target is still the same from this area. Okay, if we continue upside, we are going to be also showing you all the opportunities from where we can also enter for buy from again. Okay, let's see what happened. Moving up. Okay, let's see what happened. We are still moving up. Consolidation up. Okay, can we see from this area if we can create a high to the low so that we can continue upside? Okay, let's see what happened. Up. Okay, so now we have another opportunity to be buying from these areas. If we get any kind of retracement from this area, we are going to be buying from that. Let's see what happened. Still moving up. We got an opportunity. The market moved down. Retracement from this area. This is an entry for buy again. Stop loss is going to be below this area. Okay, anticipating the market to move until we get to our target. We have to look for every entry and see how many of them can we lose and how many of them can we gain from the profit. Okay, let's see. Consolidation. See what happened. Consolidation up. Are we creating some kind of opportunity to be buying from? Let's see what happened. Okay, this is also an entry. Okay, this is a high to the low. Okay, consolidation from this area, high to the low. We are going to go for the high. That's why we are going to be entering also from this hammer candlestick. Entry from this area. Okay, the stop loss will be below this area, anticipating the uptrend continuation until we get to our TP. Still moving up. This is an opportunity. We can start also minimizing our stop losses. Okay, as long as we are moving up. Anytime we can even bring them to break even and start locking some profit as long as we are moving up. Okay, now this is also an opportunity for buy. Created a high to the low from this area. This is an entry also again. Entry for buy. Okay, this is the 1, 2. How many trades do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th trade that we are taking from this area. This was from this one. The stop loss is below this area, anticipation of uptrend continuation. So now the market still moving up, consolidation. Can we create another opportunity to look for buy? Okay, let's see what happened. Market still moving up. These are also areas to buy from. Okay, take the same as this one. See what happened. Okay, we have a bullish engulfing, entry for buy. The stop loss is below this area. So now as the stop losses have to go break even because we are in profit or this distance. Okay, let's wait and see. Let's leave these ones and see what happened. This is another entry for buy. Let's see if we can continue. Okay, let's see what happened. Uptrend, up. We are still moving up. This stop loss. Okay, let's see what happened. We balanced also this area. Okay, I think now we are going to continue in the uptrend. Do we have any other entries for buy? Let's see. We have this area was balanced. Okay, and another area we have was this one. We have in a rejection with this bearish candlestick with a long shadow on the bottom, which is the sign of bullish continuation. Let's enter from this one and see, can we survive from this trade? We have to make it simple. As long as you practice every day, you see the market every day, everything became easy to make decision from what you see in the market. Okay, moving up. Let's see what happens. So aggressive. We are losing this trade. It's okay. Let's see what happened. We are still moving down. We have the stop loss from this area. Can we lose also another trade? So we survived from this one, I think. Okay, we started making a high. If we make a low from this area again, we are going to be entering from there. Okay, so now I'm looking for a bullish candlestick so that I can take another opportunity. Okay, I have an amazing hammer from this area. I will enter for buy. The stop loss is below the previous low. Now we are still in better position. Moving up, still moving up. Okay, we are now again. We have another opportunity from these areas. Let's see what happened. Okay, retracement, bullish engulfing. My entry will be from this area. The stop loss is below the previous low. Okay, same as the previous entry. TP from this area. Okay, now let's see. If we are confused from these entries, you have to go back and watch our previous videos, where some videos talking about how to trade from the balanced areas, how to move with a trend, how to trade with a trend continuation. You have to watch all those videos, and how can you consistently taking trades and still move out of the market with profit. So now you can go back and check those videos so that you can be a professional trader. Okay, we are moving up. Looks like this is a continuation. Okay, so now we are still moving up. We are going to play this one and see what happened, because we are so close to the target. But let also continue looking for other entries so that anyone who can even think about entering in the middle of a trend, we understand what we are talking about. Okay, so entering from the middle of the trend is also from our previous videos. You can go back and watch them. Okay, moving up, we are making higher highs and higher lows. Where can we buy from this area? Now, this is somehow confusing. We have this area, which was, I think it was balanced. We have this area, which is so aggressive, where the market didn't balance well. Okay, so let's see, can we go back? If we do not make a retracement from that area, we are going to let the market move. Okay, down. Okay, we didn't touch on there well. It means that we can continue. So now we created another inverse head and shoulders inside of a trend. We have this area to balance. That's where we can also buy from. Target still the same. Let's see what happened. Still moving up, which means that now we are no longer looking for other entries. Let's see how the market got to our targets. Moving up straight. So now we go to our target. So that's how we analyzed and took different trades from gold from the downside from the beginning of 2025. So that's how you could be entering from these trades, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 trades, 1 loss. Okay, and then even we targeted a very strong area where there is a high probability to be rejecting from. Okay, now from gold, we are moving now on GBP USD. Remember, in the previous post from the last week, I posted in the community, so I think everyone who tried to check, who checks it from there, should be made some amount, because as we predicted, that's how the market moved. You have to listen careful from this analysis from GU. So we had the market that was moving down. Okay, so approaching from the previous strong area, you have to be careful with the strong area. That is where your opportunity is from reversing and enter in the market, then take an opportunity to enter and continue with a trend. Okay, so this is a strong zone. We approached this strong zone and then we started rejecting from this area. What happened before here is what we are expecting from this area. That's why we analyze this market by expecting the market also to be reversing to the upside. So now let's move to the prediction. So you can see here, we're expecting the market to move up. Remember, this is our area we rejected from. Then we are anticipating the market to move upside. So all the signs that's showing that the market is going to be reversing to the upside, starting from the strong zone and continue with the current market, where the market starts rejecting from that area with the bullish candle, where now we are talking a bullish reversal. Okay, from GU, this is where we started rejecting from, anticipating the market to reverse to the upside. So let's see what happened. We started creating the bullish candlestick. Here is where you start looking for better entries to buy from. This is a demand area. We are waiting for a retracement from that area. Then you take a buy from there. See what happened. How did we take this opportunity? This is an amazing opportunity. Let's see. Okay, we created a bullish candle. Here we are looking to enter from this area because we are going to be minimizing our stop loss. And even another opportunity, this area is very stronger and we know exactly where we are going to be setting our stop loss. The stop loss have to be below the previous stronger area, which is this zone. We are entering for buy from this area. Stop loss is below the previous area, anticipating the market to continue. At least, let's say we are expecting the uptrend continuation after a reversal, but let's also say we are targeting from this area, and then we look another entries after if we continue and even beyond. Okay, let's say this area, it's okay, we are going to be making money from there. So now we have first entry. Let's see if we can get another opportunity. Okay, we are still moving up. Where can we buy from again? We are breaking above this area. We got another opportunity. We missed it from this area. This should be an entry also again. Let's see. Let's wait for the next opportunity to buy from. Okay, let's see what happened. We are still moving up. Okay, we need the market to even move back or continue creating higher highs and higher lows so that you can get another opportunity. Okay, let's see what happened. Now we are moving up. As we are moving up, this is also an entry to look for a retracement from so that we can buy from that. Let's see what happened. Can we make a retracement from there? We got a retracement and then we moved down. This one has failed. We are moving down to make at least an equal low from this area. If we get another opportunity of a bullish candle, we are going to be entering from this area, and that's where I send a post in the community. As long as you see this candlestick, this bearish candlestick, this is your opportunity to minimize your stop loss when we are not already in the market. Okay, so we are taking from this area. We can enter from here, no problem. We can enter from this area. Okay, the stop loss is still below the previous low. Target from this area. The target is even beyond that area. That is like an example that we are taking, but we are expecting the market to continue even beyond. Okay, let's see what happened. Equal low, consolidation. So aggressive, we are moving up. Okay, we have another demand area to buy from. This one. And retracement, we got a retracement. We are going to be entering from this area. We are confident that the market is going to be continue in the upside. Entry, uptrend continuation. The stop loss is below this time from this area. Okay. Uptrend continuation. Still moving up, breaking above that area. Uptrend continuation. We have this area we left as an imbalance. If we make a retracement from there, we are going to be entering from there by anticipating also to target this area. Okay, let's see what happened. Can we move down a little bit? We didn't balance that area. Then now let's expect the market to continue until we go to our target. So these are all the trade that we took from the last week. This is where the market is now. So we are expecting the market to even continue uptrend from this area. What we are going to be focusing on is to make sure that as long as you enter from the areas where you are safe, that's where you are going to be making much money in the market. So guys, there are so many pairs that we have, and even the XY. We didn't talk about it. Even we can talk about that tomorrow. Euro USD. There are also others. We are going to be every week showing you what we are taking in the market every day, so that can give you a confidence that the market is usual, is the business like other business. If we are losing in the market, that is your problem of being excited in the market with expecting being rich overnight. So guys, like the video, subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, and we see you next time. Be safe.